What's up guys? Welcome to the Little G of Vegas. Iba ang kasama ko ngayon.
Pero pinabatang Tito Ron.
Isa sa
Binatang
mga ko. Mga anak-anakan ko dito. Yeah.
Nagkasabay din ng day off guys.
Nasabay kami ng day off. And then, this is one of the twins by the way.
Yup.
The other twin is still working. Another day, another dollars.
What's up guys?
For him. But for us, day off kami.
Yeah, tomorrow we work.
Yeah.
So,
Hi to my aunt and Tita Ganda in Las Vegas, Henderson, Nevada.
Hello po.
Hello ta. Thank you for subscribing on my channel and to all the family of my mom, the Talaba clan, the Kaliwat Talaba.
Hello.
Yeah. All the Kaliwat there in the Philippines. Hi guys, thank you for subscribing on my channel. Thank you for your support. Salamat guys sa inyong suporta. And also to all my kababayan in Cagayan de Oro. Hi guys.
What's up Cagayan de Oro?
I hope everybody is okay.
Yeah, stay guys.
Kayo.
May bagyo pala sa Pilipinas ngayon.
Yeah, may bagyo sa Pilipinas.
Sobrang.
Guys, take care.
Ingat kayo palagi.
Ikaw, ma-shoutout ka ba?
Shout out to all my friends in the Philippines.
Tropang Coops.
Yeah, the Coops and to my girlfriend and her family.
Hello there.
Yeah, and to my titas and titos and lolo.
Hi. Look at the place. Hi. Dragging my time.
Ingat palagi guys.
Ito yung lugar kung saan kami nagwo-work. This is one of the properties in Prem na kung saan kami nagwo-work. Ayan, sobrang lawak ng ano. Iyan mo nga, ganyan mo nga yung camera ba, makita nila. How was it?
Yes, 360 oh.
360.
Oh. This is the one up hotel.
One of the hotel.
The Buffalo. Search nyo, the Buffalo
Bills.
and Casino and Ballet Resort Prim, then Whiskey Prim. Nakita nyo kung gaano kalaki yun guys.
Yeah. Yun lang, ano lang kami, chill lang kami para for a healthy lifestyle.
Healthy living because tomorrow it's our Monday guys.
Tomorrow is our Monday. It's time to
Work na naman. Laban na naman. Pahinga tapos laban na ulit.
ano na naman kami.
Wala, manggugulo na kami dun sa work namin.
Good na naman kami tomorrow.
Sana maraming tao tomorrow.
Happy weekend guys. I hope you guys are well and you guys stay dry kasi maulan dyan.
Ingat palagi guys.
And ano pa bang sasabihin natin? Tomorrow is Friday here.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be almost the weekend. We're gonna be busy because we have concert coming up on. No, there is
Saturday.
Not a concert. It is a game. It's called what is it? The Price is Right.
Price is Right.
Yeah. So yan yon.
This Saturday, right?
This Saturday at I think it's here in Buffalo. This property here. There's gonna be a show. It's called The Price is Right. It's a game show. And
baka kala nyo guys, roller coaster yan ha. Tren lang yan dito. Ganyan lang kalaki. Tren lang yan dito. LRT yan.
roller coaster.
LRT4. Ang bagong gawa yan. Diretso sa Pilipinas agad yan.
And then across the street is where we live. Show mo sa kanila.
Yan guys. Diyan kami natira guys.
For the employees.
Yup. Isa lang din may-ari niyan.
Yeah.
Sila lang din. Sila lang.
Tapos,
yan, yung may-ari.
Ako may-ari. Yeah. Sana ako. But anyway, this is Justin by the way.
Hi guys.
Si Justin, he just recently moved here. He's from Manila.
Yup.
He's Manila boy.
Downtown.
How was it
Downtown
working in
QC.
the US, Justin?
It's good.
It's good.
Yup.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
How is everything?
In my work, I'm enjoying my work. To be honest guys.
What is your work here?
Barista. Barista. Barista God, Batista Bam.
Batista. But so far, so good. Your work here?
Yeah.
How is your...
I'm enjoying making drinks.
Making drink. What's the best part of your job? And except making drinks, what else? Like your coworkers? You like your coworkers?
Yeah.
Who else? Who's your favorite?
My favorite.
You have to be honest.
It's my favorite.
Your brother.
My favorite. My favorite is this one, the Jigs and
Yeah.
Ita Raisa and Panda. I miss Panda.
She miss Panda. Hi Panda, shout
Hi,
out
Panda,
to you.
shout
It's been
out
a
to you.
while. It's been a while.
You have missed very many classmates.
Yeah, you missed it.
You know, classmate, huh? That's
Hey, you
the secret, okay?
Panda, you miss all the classmates and you miss being in one of my vlogs.
Yup.
Yep.
Sometimes you go to
To go to us,
yeah?
you go walking,
Jogging.
you go eating, because every time we eat lunch, you're not there.
you always go home, huh?
You
You always go to
home.
CR.
But other than that, Panda, we miss you.
Yeah, miss you, Panda.
How many minutes? Let me see. Okay. So, guys, I think we're gonna see you again in our next vlog.
Yup.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You wanna promote my vlog? Promote it.
Yeah guys, please subscribe Tita Little Jigs Vlog guys. Marami siyang ilalabas ngayon to. Tagal mag 2026, gusto ko na magbago.
But thank you again for
Thank you.
watching.
Basta support niya lang si Little Jigs, deserve niya lahat yun guys. Thank you lahat sa una nagpapasalamat na ako agad sa inyo. Thank you for supporting. We're going road to 100 subscribers. Keeping up. Click the bell button, then like, then share, then subscribe, okay?
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Pag magpaparapol to pag nag 100k, bahala kayo.
Paparapol kami. Thank you guys.
O kasi price kasi conscious sa Sabado eh. Price is right eh. Price is right. Yan, yun na yung paparapol niya.
Sabihin mo sa kanila, ingat.
Ingat kayo palagi guys doon. Justin nga pala.
You gotta close my vlog now.
Vlog take over to eh. So guys, enjoy naman guys lalo. Araw-araw gumagaling kami sa paggawa ng walis. Kasi nga, yun nagturo sa amin Tapos yan guys, kunin nyo sa Pilipinas. Sa mga coffee shop dyan hindi na ako mag-in-drop. Basta lahat ng coffee shop dyan sa Pilipinas. Kunin nyo, director. Ayaw kasi, kinukuha nga director to dito, ayaw. Tatanggihan.
Grabe siya, wag ka maingay.
100 per hour per day. Ayaw.
Per day ba or per hour?
Tapos OT 200, ayaw.
Ayaw ba?
Ayaw.
Bakit ayaw?
Ayaw, gusto maging simpleng mamayanan lang. Gusto niya, yun, parang pare-pare kami. Ay, di namin maging manager, simpleng trabaho lang guys. May snow-opera to guys.
We're having fun with our job.
The best, mas enjoy yung work dito guys. Kaysa sa views.
Very worth it, right?
Yeah.
It's worth it.
Super easy. Galawang dollars ka dito, hindi ka nagalawang peso dapat dito.
Galaw. So, another day,
Another dollars. Kaya alam mo yung paborito kong ginagawa sir guys, magugas. Basic na trabaho, magugas lang ako doon. Hindi na may pag-interact sa mga English speakings doon. English,
nosebleed.
Yeah, pero balang araw darating tayo makapag-English din ako tulad nila dito. Galing mag-English nito guys, accent, London.
London ba?
Tapos nung sa Australian, si Day. Si Day.
Si Day ba? Sino Day?
Si Day, si Dita Raisa. Ay, mas matututo pa kami mag-Bisaya dito kaysa mag-English eh.
Sabihin mo, napunta nga kami sa Amerika para matutong
Kaya nga eh. Tapos, minumulto na ako ng Pilipinas. Hirap na kami pag-communicate sa English tapos mayroon ka pang Mexicanong katrabaho. As bibisayain ka pa nito. Aray ko! Wawa!
Bisaya, mandong.
Bisaya, mandong. Nag-count ka na ba, love?
Nag-count na ka, love.
Count ka na, love. Mga natutunan ko dito, Day. Tapos, Day. Doy. Bay. Dong. Wala si Dong, saka si Day.
Wala si Dong at si Day. Nagkuan sila, nagpahulay.
Nag-working nagpapanggap Dong. Alam mo talaga mga nagpapanggap.
Mga nagpagpapanggap na magtatrabaho.
But the best guys.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again in our next vlog.
Yup.
This is Little Gio Vegas, creating memories with you. Bye guys. Peace, love.